guys. Well, you've seen the entrance to the craft studio before, but now we have the addition of a screen, which has been repurposed from upstairs in the bathroom actually. This has had to go up because the cat keeps coming in here and sleeping on all my projects. Not good. But yeah, you've seen this before. Minus the screen, it's just sectioned off with the curtain, the back end of our living room. Here we are. Yep, nothing's changed at the moment. Taylor's still occupying this side of the room partially. Some of my stuff's there. That's his desk and his TV and everything here. But yeah, so Taylor's still occupying this end of the craft room and, oh my gosh, or studio as he keeps calling it. Oh, nothing's changed this direction, guys. Yeah, that's where I sit and film and what have you. That's my stuff from yesterday as I was working on the Valentine's altered journal. Well, altered notebook actually, antique papery. But yeah, so this desk, absolutely love this desk. It's been with us for a long time now. It's a PC desk. Not that you can tell because I never use that bit. Yeah, and I just absolutely love it. It's one that I actually got off my brother quite a while back. He messaged, well actually he phoned and he's like, Vic, we've got a new desk, blah 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 blah, getting rid of this one. Do you need it? Do you want it? Have you any use for it? I'm like, yeah. So it came here. And like I said, this was a long time ago. This is probably about 10 years ago, maybe longer. It's been all over the house. Not just this house, the old house we lived at before here. It's been everywhere. But there's something about it that I just can't part with it. I've kind of messed it up by gluing. Well, actually, the kids messed it up by drawing on it. And Taylor as well, when he was younger, gouged it with a pen. Yeah, a pen and a knife. Not a knife, a ruler. One of these type rulers. So I then started this. I glued wallpaper to it, or, you know, all sorts, just to give it a nice surface. And then obviously I claimed it back for crafting. Thideman had it for a while first, and then I claimed it for craft. Well, actually, back then I claimed it for when I was actually writing pen pal letters. Then I claimed it for crafting. Then Thideman claimed it back as a PC desk, and then it ended up a corner doing nothing in the bedroom. Then I claimed it back again as a craft desk, and it's been mine ever since. It's been mine now for about 6 years. But it's well loved. It is an absolutely brilliant desk. It's in brilliant apart from the tabletop being a bit beaten now because of having paper double-sided sticky taped to the top of it. The desk otherwise is in brilliant condition. It's perfect. It's amazing. I love it. But I think, as much as I love sitting in front of the window with all the light and everything, sometimes it's difficult when I'm filming because if I close the curtain it goes too dark. If I leave it open I can't film because there's too much glare. If I put the white light, my ring light stopped working. I'm gutted. But if I put the white light on, that's the same as the ring light, it's just a strip one. If I put the white light on, sometimes it's too bright and it's like I can't win. And at the end of the day, guys, as much as I love that desk, that's what this desk was built for. You know, we worked really hard on this. Besides, that side of the desk was always going to be for beading. But you know, we worked really hard on creating this desk. All that space there in the corner, and that was always going to be for the sewing machine. That corner there is where I'm supposed to be sitting and doing my crafting. But it got piled up with stuff. Under all that, as you've seen in some previous videos, is my Sizzix stuff. And then a box with all my cutters and trimmers and all sorts in, and then now there's a basket there with all sorts of books in, journals that I've got from other makers, and then obviously dumping ground. It is the prime example of a dumping ground because look at it. That's where everything goes to die basically. I don't know what to do with this. I'll shove it up the corner, because that's what it is. It's a corner. It's not functional at the moment. It's just a corner. And then, of course, because I'm sharing with Taylor, that corner then becomes a dumping ground on the floor for other stuff. This chair, I freaking love this chair. Newest edition from Amazon, of course. It's a bar stool chair, but it's a PC one with a back on it. That's the lowest it will go, which is the highest my normal PC chair goes. Yeah, great for sitting there. The reason I need a bar stool is, when we did this desk, I gave Thaub my measurements for this, the height-wise. I gave him the measurements for this desk based on me standing up to craft. Which is fine, because predominantly I do stand up to craft. But then my back hurts and I need to sit down, and when I sit down, my old PC chair is like down here, so I'm sitting crafting arms up here. Yeah, I'm too low down when I'm crafting, so I had to get a bar stool. So I got this one under this basket, just a normal bar stool one with the footrest, but it breaks my back because there's no back on it and it's not on wheels, so when it gets on, when you sit on it, it kind of suctions itself to the floor and I can't move it. So this was the latest one. Like I said, that's the lowest it goes. And then, weep. Look at that, guys. It actually goes that high up, I can't get on it. I actually cannot get up there. It's too high up. Look, if you can see. Remove my cardigan. Let's see if we can do this. Right, there you go. That's the height of the chair. That is my hip. I can't get up. Seriously. Oh my gosh. But yeah, and then I can't get it back down because I can't get up on it. Never mind. Anyway. But yeah, so this has got to change. Something in here has got to give. Seriously. Because as much as I love crafting there, I haven't got the space. I need to craft over here where I've got the space. Not overly fussed about the shelves at the moment in time. Don't really need them for anything. But I need the space, which I haven't got over there. So, I'm kind of taking up a challenge that Jessica Rapp from 2silveroranges, link to her channels below, put out there for everybody. Show your craft room before and show it after. No matter how long it takes, once it's done, show the after. But make your craft space, craft room, craft space, whatever, whether it's one tiny little desk like that or a whole room like that, half a room like this, make it functional and work for you. So guys, this room, not the shelves at the moment in time, like I said, but, and not really so much here, but that corner, that just needs a few things moving because that corner's fine. That corner and that space there is dramatically going to change, and obviously all this floor space here is dramatically going to change over the next week. I say week because today is, I'll show you, can get it up. Oh. Why does my watch always play up when I want to show you what day and time it is? So today is, can't even see, come on, oh for goodness sake, honestly. Right, well anyway, take my word for it, today is the 13th of February, Thursday. No, it ain't for wanting to show you, but take my word for it, today's the 13th of February, a Thursday. Tomorrow, on Friday the 14th, Valentine's Day, Taylor finishes school for a week. I am going to get started on this today. Actually, it is now 5 to 3, so not much time. I still can't say that. Not much time left before he does come home from school. We've got about 45 minutes. I am going to make a start on clearing some of that. But yeah, so like I said, he finishes school tomorrow for a week, half term. So I'm going to give myself tomorrow and then over the weekend and then next week to get all of this sorted and functional, that corner space functional. And like I say, that corner is going to take a bit of a dramatic turn. I've got an idea in my head, but I don't know if it'll work, so we shall see. So I will possibly, I say this and then I say I'm not going to do this and then I do it anyway. So I'm not going to say I'm going to, yeah, if I say I'm going to do it, I might not. So possibly might film the process but speed it up like I do with my process videos for journals, the design team journals anyway. I might film some of it and speed it up, but I will definitely come back when it's finished and give you a tour. But yes, so challenge accepted, Jess. For now, like I say, I'm not worrying about the shelves or anything for now. That can come later. But for now, the major challenge is to get that corner space and everything underneath, because I need to be able to get my chair in and access that corner space and everything underneath work for me and my crafting, rather than that desk. And I think that desk is going to end up back upstairs in the bedroom. So because my logic is, at the moment, whilst I'm still sharing this room with Taylor, and granted he's off school for a week next week, I won't be able to get any filming done, especially filming where I talk. Filming where I'm not talking, fine. Filming where I am talking, which I've got hundreds, well not hundreds, but I've got plenty of mealtime videos that I need to catch up on, including a bag there that's full of stuff I should have done last year. So if that desk goes back upstairs in the bedroom, I have another one of them tripods up there. I can then film upstairs in the bedroom while it's noisy down here. But yeah, my only concern about this is, look how bright it is over there, because I'm right in front of the window, and I know it's full of stuff, but look how dark and dingy it is over there. And even without that stuff being there, it's still quite dark over here because it's a corner. So, I don't know, but yes, like I said, for now, challenge accepted. This week is all about getting that space functional. Ugh. Wish me luck, guys. Goodbye.